Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark Siniza again and welcome back to my channel. I have here a friend, Kevin.
Hey, good afternoon.
Alright, and we are in Il Corso right now. We are doing a walking tour, by the way. But this is a different walking tour because I'm talking in front of the camera most of the time, I think. Anyways, enjoy El Corso, guys. And don't forget to follow him on Instagram.
Instagram, yeah, that's Bintot Official. And on Facebook, it's Kevin Garcia.
Alright. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell for you to get updates on future updates here in Cebu. We are in a very beautiful place right here. It is an alfresco mall here in SRP.
The one and only for now. Asa the moment, yeah.
Correct. And I'll give you a view, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it, but far from there, that's an air, I think.
That's the Nova Express link.
Yes, C-Selects mga guys. So, if you can see, meron tayong mga videos dyan about C-Selects. So, just stay tuned. And look at that lighthouse right there. And this is the Mactan channel. We also have Bohol in there mga guys. Alright? Thank you so much. Enjoy this walking tour. See you around.
The good basket, yeah. I love the soap. Yeah. Oh. Right. And then Adlai grain. I don't know if you're familiar with quinoa. So it's like a grain for fitness enthusiasts and also used for dieting. It tastes like mais actually. So it's like shala version of our mais. But Adlai grain is a local version of quinoa. Because quinoa is imported. This one, Adlai grain is farmed in Bukidnon. So they're helping Adlai farmers. And then the best thing about Adlai grain is that it's high in fiber and high in protein, but it tastes like rice.
Okay, so it's a good alternative for
Right.
especially if you're conscious with your diet.
Right. Yeah. So every time, like your subscribers would buy a pack of Adlai grain, they're helping out our Adlai farmers in Bukidnon.
That's my aunt is from Bukidnon. Shout out.
Oh, that's
akong
nice.
aunt from Dun, Pasugong, and akong mga cousins all the way from Bukidnon.
You can follow them online in Instagram and Facebook, right? Yep.
Ikaw lang.
Matcha and matcha chai.
Okay, I'll try one of each na lang. I think you need to get some food so that you can give your review. Thank you. You.
Sorry, Kevin, because what a give fake ko eh. Actually, knowledge naman.
Thank you. What's your name?
Rochelle.
Rochelle.
Thanks, Rochelle.
Thank you, Rochelle. How do you call it? Like, where you take your mouth?
Yeah, okay lang. Wait, do you want me to stand up?
No, it's fine. Whatever makes you comfortable.
Yeah.
And then this one.
This is well, it can be an accessories tray, but you can also use it for to put your like perfumes or your watches, like your necklace or your This is I think this is mainly for girls because their necklace, their rings, their bracelets. But I think this one I've had male customers order like this from me already.
And how much would this one cost?
I'm selling these for a set. It's 3 for 850. Yeah. If you buy the posters individually, these are 300.
Each.
Yeah, each. For the beach, this is slightly more expensive. It's 1 for 350. If you buy two,
But not
I'll
bad.
give
It's only 50 pesos more compared to me.
Yeah.
But this one also comes in a set.
I can give it to you for a set. Yeah.
Ah, okay, nice.
Yeah.
We have finally reached the end of this walking tour in IL Corso Mall in SRP. Please show your support by clicking on that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to get updates on my future uploads. Magkita-kita ta sa sunod nga upload. Daghang salamat!